Hello, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter. The name of this chapter is Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. So, this is the second chapter of our history book, and this is the part 1 of it. Okay, this class is for the class ninth. So, my dear students, in this chapter we are going to learn many things. We are going to learn about socialism, what is the meaning of socialism. We will try to know about the we will try to understand how different type of governing system are in the world. It means we all know about the democracy, we all know about monarchy, we know about dictatorship also. Now we will know about this socialist government or socialist kind of government. Then with this we will try to know about the revolutions. It means we studied about French Revolution. Then we will learn in this chapter about Russian Revolution, and we will also see here that how Russian Revolution was the different from French Revolution. Okay, the many aspects are there in this chapter, so we will learn them. So we'll start it from here. The age of social change. The age of social change. Social, it means we all know the society was going in some way. The society before 100 200 years was not the same as it is today, so it was a little different. Okay, so if we can see here, so that time the society was different. So same, that time society had some problem, as we are also like this time we can also see. So if they were having some problems, so some changes also should be there. So that's only we will just discuss in this part. As we have seen in the last chapter, a powerful idea of freedom and equality circulated in Europe after French Revolution. French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change in the way of which society was structured. We all know how the French society was structured into three states: first state, second state, third state. It means clergy, nobility, and then third state, है ना? So we all know about it. So after French Revolution, this system was broken. So same thing they are saying here. After French Revolution, many new ideas came up. Okay, and old ideas finished. As you had read, before the 18th century, society was broadly divided into states, order, and it was the aristocracy and church who controlled economic and social power. Okay, aristocracy it means like the nobles, and church it means the clergies. है ना? So they were all having the power actually. After the revolution, it seems possible to change this. In many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia also, new idea about individual right, what we are having right now. Okay, who control over social power began to be discussed in India. As we know, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Okay, there is your they talked about French Revolution. They talked about the idea of French Revolution. Okay, and many others debated the idea of post French Revolution, post revolutionary Europe. So they also asked about that how will be the society after the revolution or kind of things. The development in the colonies in turn reshape these ideas of social change. So these developments are there in the colonies. It means by when just you can see, by when French Revolution was there in France, so its effect will be there in their colony also. As we all know that who was the colony of France, like Vietnam was the colony of France. They also affected by that revolution. Not everyone, okay, not everyone was there. It is the story of everywhere. Okay, not everyone always like the changes, you know. They did not know transformation, they did not want transformation. Responses varied. It means different people different thinking, you know. So few people were there who wanted change, some people were there who wanted to make who wanted to remain in the same situation as they were having. Okay, so Okay, so as we can see, the who wanted to restrict. Okay, there are the two type of people actually, mainly two type. Those who wanted to restructure society, those are called, okay, radically. It means radically. It means they wanted to bring all changes. Okay, very soon they wanted to change everything. They wanted to change. They wanted to, we can say, include the human rights and these kind of things. Okay, they wanted to end up the king rule. So they wanted to change very fastly, but few people were there. Some were conservatives. Now what is the meaning of conservative? In the next part we will know, but just for the shorter way I want to tell you, the conservative, those people, those who do not want to change, who do not want to be the part of the change. Okay, they wanted same ruling structure as, okay, the people were facing. So one part was there, who, the conservatives. Okay, conservatives, they did not want changes. They did not want changes. Okay, then now also the second type of people were liberals. Okay, liberals, we are, as you can listen by the name of this liberal, it means liberty. Liberty, it means freedom. So those who support freedom. Which kind of freedom? Freedom of speech, freedom of making the parties, political parties, freedom of people, individual rights, and equality. They all want these things. And liberal people. Okay, or radical. Sometimes liberal are called radical also, because they wanted all changes very soon, within a time. ओके, सो व्हाट डिड दिस टर्म, ओके वी विल लर्न अबाउट दिस कि भाई टर्म क्या है, मैंने वैसे बता दिया है, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, बट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट लेटर ऑल्सो. What separated these stands? Why conservative think about the old thing कि भाई old system was good? Why radical or liberals thought that new should be good, new changes should be brought? So these all things we will learn in this chapter. Okay, so we will look briefly at some of the important political traditions of 19th century, and we will try to know that how the people life of the people was there, and we will try that how they influence change. Okay, so how it means like the how the political powers old system were there and how the new changes bring in. So then we will focus on one history event, that is called Russian Revolution. We will discuss about this in the chapter, and through the revolution in the Russia, and socialism became one of the most significant and powerful idea to shape society in the 20th century. Okay, we will learn these all things here. So firstly, they had given the same thing: liberal, radical, and conservatives. Who were these? So one of the group, same thing, which I am just telling you, which look to change, who want changes. Those are called liberals. What liberal want? Liberal want a nation, एक देश चाहिए था उनको, which tolerate all the religion. It means in a country like where all the people can live together happily. Okay, all the religion, all the language people. We should remember that at that time, European states usually determined in favor of one religion, है ना. All the European countries were only believing in one uh, religion. Okay, but we can say a different idea over there, like Britain favored the Church of England. In Britain people followed Church of England, but in the other country, like, okay, like we can say Australia, Spain, they favored Catholic Church. And liberals also opposed the uncontrolled power of dynastic rule. So liberal, it means they wanted to change. Na, those people who wanted to change, so they always opposed the unlimited power of kings. है ना, kings, when king son of king become the king, so they were against this. They wanted a safeguard rights for the individual against government. Individual, it means one person, as in India and in the democratic country, one person also have the same right as the any ruler is there. Okay, and the prime minister or the president is having any right, so they also having this right. So they argued to for representative elected parliament government. They were asking for the government which is made by the like parliament. They argued a lot for this. So they wanted to change the laws also. So they wanted to change the law. Who? Liberals. They want what they wanted. They wanted to finish the king rule. They wanted to introduce a new rule. They wanted people to change to take the part in the government. They wanted individual person, it means single person also have the same rule as the same right as the other people are having, you know, any important people are having. They wanted what they wanted a kind of government which should be elected. Okay, which should be elected, okay, by the people, not by the people, only few people, it means not by the all people. They were not supposed to they were not happy by giving the voting right to all. They wanted give the right to only few people. So they wanted judiciary also, it means high court, supreme court type of thing they also want. And they want these courts should be independent, it means nobody can pressurize them, as we are having in India, no, in democratic country. So, however, they were not Democrats. Liberals were not Democrat. Why Democrat they not? Because Democrat always says Democrat, it means the people who support democracy. They ask for the they ask for the votes. They ask for the voting right for the people. So liberals wanted everything. Liberals wanted कि भाई king rule finished. They wanted individual rights. They wanted government selected by the elected by the parliament, but they did not want that everyone can vote. Everyone can vote. They only thought, they did not believe. You can see here. I just underline these things for you. Okay. So what liberal wanted? They wanted to finish the dynastic rule. They wanted to finish the king rule. Okay. With this, they wanted individual rights. They wanted individual rights. Okay, with this they wanted something else. What they want कि भाई the government should be elected by the parliament. And then what they want more? Okay, they want well trained judiciary, independent judiciary, it means nobody can pressurize them. Okay, but they were not Democrat. Democrat means they did not want democracy. Democracy means they did not want to give all the voting rights to everyone. They felt only, they felt what they felt. Okay, they didn't. We can say two things here. Okay, they felt man of property. It means a person who is having property. It means rich people only should vote, and they did not support the vote for women also. Okay, women also cannot vote. They want it. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, in contrast, radicals. Now radicals, it means those who wanted to change every in a minute, we can say. Okay, radical wanted a nation in which government was based on the majority of country's population. By mostly they actually liberals wanted a kind of suffrage, it means voting rights, universal adult franchise. Many supported women's suffragette movement meaning movement, it means movements for asking voting rights. ओके, वोटिंग राइट्स के लिए जो मूवमेंट्स होते हैं उनको सफरजेट मूवमेंट बोलते हैं. ओके, unlike liberals, what liberal wants, they oppose the privilege of great landowners. Okay, they said, liberal says भाई जो rich people are there, okay, we should not give them extra privilege. It means they cannot collect the tax, okay, and they have to pay the tax also. है ना, wealthy factory owners also, है ना, they were against the existence of power property, but dislike a concentration of property in hands of few. So what they did not know, what they did not want, liberals, they did not want to give all the rights to only rich people, okay. They disliked that only that few people are having lot of money. They did not like that. Now conservatives तो हमें पता ही है, there were the old type of people. They opposed to radicals and liberals after French Revolution. However, even conservatives had opened their mind to need for change. Okay, conservatives always wanted that, we did not want any change. They did not want any change. But after French Revolution, their behavior changed. Okay, their behavior changed. Even conservatives had opened their mind to need to change. They also thought, by now time is to change. Okay, earlier in the 18th century, conservatives had been generally opposed to the idea of change. By the 19th century, they accepted that some change was inevitable, but believed that the past had to be the respected and change had to be brought about thoughts of a slow process. What people want, by we all know conservative people always supported old way of ruling, है ना, they always supported this. But what happened beta, there's after French Revolution their mind changed. They always they started supporting changes. But with this beta what they want, they say कि भाई some changes should be there, no problem, some changes should be there, but our past and our past should be respected, our old leader should be given respect. Okay, change लेके आइए, you can change, but don't change the old things, bring the new changes. Okay. Okay, such different idea we all know in the in Europe this was going on. These different type of ideas were there, which changed the social, which started a kind of clash. It means people started having the problems with each other. They never sit together, and then never do the discussion like this. So this created a turmoil condition. Turmoil, it means a condition where everyone fights, everyone has the doubt and everything. So this turmoil followed the French Revolution. This was happened in the French Revolution also, when people were having the different ideas. Same at this time also, people started fighting. Okay, the various attempts at revolution and national transformation in 19th century have defined both of the limits and potential of political tendencies. Okay, so we all know present, in the past, in future, it is the part of discussion. It is the part of study, that how these changes came, and how political tendency changes time to time. Okay, so this is the smallest part of the chapter. So okay, till now if you have any doubts here, and so you can leave your comments in the comment box. And with this, if you want to suggest something, you can also do that. Okay, subscribe my channel, like the videos, and share it. Thank you.